Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a First National Bank of Omaha account sign up. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for FNBO Bank, which basically stands for First National Bank of Omaha. Then click on the first link as you can see. Then this is their official website. We're going to click on Savings and CDs. Then click on View All Saving Accounts. So there are different saving accounts as you can see. You guys could choose from either of those. So once you choose the one you want, you're going to click on Apply Now. Then they're going to ask you the zip code for that state. So depending on your state, you're going to write your zip code. Basically, you should be located in the United States of America. So once you're done, they're going to sign up your account. So they're going to ask you account details, personal information, your emails, your social security numbers, and all those informations. So once they're done, you guys are set up to open the bank account. So this is how you open the bank account. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.